To enhance your image with Canva, all you have to do is to upload your image through clicking here or drag and drop your media into this place. But I already have my media in here, so I'm going to click on project and go over to my folders and come over to the folder where I have all my images. This is the image I want to edit. I'm going to click on these three dots and I'm going to click on edit image. Now it opens up this interface up for me. I have the option to remove my BG. I have the option to magic erase and magic edit however I want to do it. But now I just want to enhance this image. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the background. I would go over to adjust here and you can choose to adjust the whole image, foreground or background, whichever one, but I will leave it as the whole image. And I like using this auto adjust because it helps me get started. You can take it down, take it up and see how it looks, but I will leave it here. So now I'm going to scroll down. With the auto adjust settings we just did, you can see what it adjusted here. I like taking my edit further by making some color edits. So I'm going to click on color edit. I'm going to click on this color and take the saturation up. I'll go back to this color and take the saturation up. Once you're satisfied with how your image looks, let me go back here. You can choose to crop how your image looks. Crop it into this or crop it into this. However you want to crop your image to look like. I'm going to drag the image and position it how I want it. And once you're done, you click on done. And you can still add some filters, but it's going to reset what you've done. So once you're happy with how your image looks, you can click on save to Canva or download. You can choose which one you want to do. You can click to using a new design. I'm going to click on using a new design. So this is my new design. Start designing and working how you want to work with this image. This is movable. Subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Do have a good one.